Chimney, hands, sing it. You know, every day, simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings. Your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessing.
So I am leaving just now. I gotta go pick up the girls. We have a photo shoot that we gotta do, so I gotta go get some stuff to go get that photo shoot done today. Yeah, it's been a real busy day. I've been home, been doing schoolwork, but I also been busy doing business as usual. So yeah, and so I finally was able to get my stuff registered and done today. I got some important stuff done, so I am glad about that. Let me just park this. I gotta go pick up the girls, and we are heading to, well, do our errands. So it's just me and the girls. Memphis is home. You want a dumpling? You don't want some pot?
When you like to go in the kitchen, hold on, who you have with? Really? Who you have?
He's gonna do Fortnite dances, guys.
My pepper is finished.
What the heck is this? What is that, guys? What is that?
Everything alright when mommy prayed for me.
Cooking with the parents. The Williams fam.
Are you better than you, Memphis? No, what are you doing? Are you better than you?
Yes, man, disgusting. I drop your home, let me drop. Hey? Yes, me back your fire. That's so disgusting. So you keep talking.
Hey, Memphis, are you
That William?
idiot?
Everything alright. Mommy prayed. Christmas. Sing it, babe. No, I'm not sing it. You're supposed to sing the song. How does the Grinch song go? Eh? Stand here, stand up, man. After some bring back and you have cook.
Mommy, can I have one more down?
You know, I already have one.
Too good. It was so fun. We're done with flower.
Shower?
Mhm.
Shower? Hi.
Eh?
From plate to plate. Because we didn't see that up there. Look, the other one here, it turns around. Maybe we don't know where. You say you're talking? They make the floor choke me. Maybe else? Alright? Where am I going to come out with one? The back one? Look at him. Oh, what's something? Oh,
Why not that posture? Yes,
I've been talking. Are you going to go away? His birthday is this. You're working. His birthday is this Sunday. Okay? Well, I guess what we can do celebrate his birthday. Happy birthday, Lanny Boo. You know, we're calling Lanny Boo. Lanny Boo, wish her happy birthday. It's Lanny Boo's birthday today.
Okay, great. The password. We're gonna use the Wi-Fi.
Where am I?
The Wi-Fi.
Yeah, we'll call Lanny Boo, wish her happy birthday. Rista, can you set the table, please?
Which one? Table or table?
Regular for big table.
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 Stop pushing your
What is this there for?
Nah.
Dominoes.
Dominoes.
Oh my goodness. Oh, that's sweet like Ask the picnic them. Ask the picnic them. And not even ask the kids. Ask the picnic them. Right before is the way it is. Because it look like they can't sweep the floor. Hello, I know one time when they sweep the floor, when I'm going to see this sweep the floor dirty. They shrink. Gimme out. What is this key on here for? Musa.
No, I'm not watching that. Watching TVs. They're not close to it.
Go and ask Mr. Williams. You're lucky. Risa, come to the table. Faye? So what you want to take you one and what you mean? Backside read. How's dinner, babes? So, Mr. Williams helped me make dinner today. Yes, guys, look at a whole pot of fried dumpling and salt. We're having, what is this? Baked bean. A baked bean? Yeah. Baked bean and corned beef. Oh my gosh, I can't even remember what we're eating. So that is what we're eating. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you guys are having a great day so far. So, oh my gosh, it snowed for the last, what, day and a half, but it's not so bad. Then your girl is heading out. Well, I got a test I gotta do today, so I gotta go in there. I got an appointment and I gotta get some stuff. Your girl needs a vacation. I am well in need of a vacation. Oh, I finally got my winter jacket. I think it was in Faith's last vlog or the vlog. No, it was in maybe the vlog before that. Yeah, girl needed a new winter coat, so I went and did that. Oh gosh. And it's Memphis's birthday this weekend. I know, I just had a birthday and now I have another one. So I don't know what he wants to do. He's turning 14, guys. 14. Yep, he's my oldest one. 14. Holy moly. So, oh my goodness. I am just here. Oh boy. So let me just get out and, yeah guys. Look at this. We got snow all on the ground. Snow, snow, snow. At least there's not that much. But the only thing I love is when the snow freshly falls and the place, it looks beautiful. That's it. So yes, it's the afternoon and me and my beautiful photographer here, we are just actually doing a photo shoot of some of the inventory that we have that will be uploaded to our Instagram. So don't forget to actually check out the Instagram. Like I said, the site will not be launched as yet. I'm still working on it. I'm still figuring out some kinks and stuff, and hopefully definitely within the new year it will definitely be launched. Not exactly sure yet, but I'm just working on. So currently I will show you guys what I am doing right now. We got some swimsuits that we're putting out because we know the island beauties, it's summer all year round. So definitely there will be swimsuits that will also be posted on our Instagram. You guys could actually go and check that out on Instagram.
I'm hungry.
And
I think I'm gonna order pizza.
so I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. Now it's low key, low budget cost, but you still want to make it look nice and affordable, and that's what I'm doing. And we just got the ring light here that washed this one out so much. So that is what we are currently doing. There's so much other stuff that I still gotta do. My thank you cards, those will be coming out, and the business cards, I already have those designed, so I am looking forward to those as well. And yeah, and I got my logo and my sticker. So if you actually check out in my Instagram, you will actually see my logo actually in there. So I will put it down in the description below, or well, on the video, so somewhere along here, so you guys can go and check that out. Home, I look rough as a mother. This one's hiding, so she looks bad.
No, look at my hair.
She's helping me to kneel flour for dinner. Yeah, so she's kneeling the flour for me, and for dinner we're just making some flour, rice, and I decided to make some ackee saltfish. Let me know in the comments below if you guys like ackee and saltfish. This one, I have to take out the saltfish separately for her because she doesn't like ackee. Right? The only one in the house. The only one in the house.
And then the only one in the house that doesn't eat mashed potatoes too.
Yeah, and that's the other thing. So anytime I make mashed potatoes, that's
get
the other
something
thing.
different.
I have to make something different aside
Like
for her because she doesn't eat it. Yet she eats fries. Tell you this.
And hash
she
browns.
eats fries and she eats hash browns, right?
You just
She'll eat
potatoes,
baked
huh?
potato, but she does not like eat mashed potatoes, which I don't understand.
I feel like I'll take like a couple bites of like the bake, but like if you cut it up and you fry it for me and then I'll eat it, you know? Tastes
So,
good.
yeah, that concept I'm still yet trying to understand with her.
Some of my
So
friends
right now,
eat
as you see,
ketchup,
I am just
and they
doing
don't
a,
eat
yeah, I
ketchup
just
and
gotta
not
get the
potatoes.
ackee, open up the ackee and put it in. So that is what's up for dinner.
I mean,
I
this
just didn't
dumpling
feel
is
like
L
any
shaped.
chicken or anything like that tonight.
You ain't gonna help me?
Maybe I should leave her, guys, and one night make her cook a full meal.
I cooked a full meal by myself.
Yes, you have. But she's made curry chicken and rice. That's our full meal. But I should make her cook like something different.
Like what?
I don't know. Maybe make some dumpling and chicken or like yam and banana and stuff. Something different one
I
night.
either make dumplings.
So maybe I will actually make her do one of the cook.
Oh, we should do that thing like on like different days. Like I cook, then you cook, Mario and I go cook. Then like Memphis.
Teach her how to do something like that. Memphis did. You want to see Memphis's dumpling? So this is his dumpling here.
Cartwheel
that he
dumpling,
just-
that call, you know. Cartwheel dumpling.
Well, he's still not perfecting it yet. Like Faith's been used, so Faith's in the kitchen more with me, so she's more perfecting it. He's still getting the hang of it. So I can't say he's been doing that bad.
But he
And
can cook rice good.
yeah,
and
he can cook
You
rice
learned
and
from me
make
last
curry.
time. You learned
Yeah,
from me
he
last
can
time
make
when you
rice
made
and
it.
curry really good, or he can make rice and chicken, like brown stew chicken. He can make that good. So I'll give him that. I'll give him that. So yeah, but I'm just going to
I
get
ruined
this
his
together.
dumpling.
And yeah, guys, so dinner is finished. We are about to eat, and yeah, so I am just going to close off the vlog here. It's been a long and crazy day. So yeah, so everybody's chowing down on some food.
But not, you know.
And this one with her saltfish and no ackee in her plate. So yeah, guys, so
I wanna go
don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next one. Peace.
So much money in the club. How much you spend with the ones you love? The simple things are your blessings. Simple things, them are your blessings, your blessing. Simple things are your blessing. And you don't notice your blessings. You pick it with the shoes by your feet. Now pick and